Izabadaja, Alabala. Let your amen turn the louder. Here, locked joint, locked joint, locked joint. If you are the one, put it on the live stream. The devil is a liar. I announce, let it be reversed. Let it be reversed. Let it be reversed. Shwanuma, Shwanuma. If you are the one, put it on the live stream. The devil is a liar. I announce, let it be reversed. Anaplastic astrocytoma. If you are the one, put it on the live stream. The devil is a liar. The devil is a liar. Let it be reversed. Let it be reversed. Metaplastic atrophic gastritis. That's what I see written in front of me. If you are the one, put it on the live stream. The devil is a liar. I announce, let it be reversed. Let it be reversed. Medulloblastoma. The devil is a liar. I announce, let it be reversed. Let it be reversed. Haunting Korea. Haunting Korea. If you are the one, put it on the live stream. The devil is a liar. I announce, let it be reversed. Let it be reversed. Right now. Right now. Right now. Osteosarcoma. If you are the one, put it on the live stream. The devil is a liar. Let it be reversed. Cancer of the capillaries. The devil is a liar. Let it be reversed. Budget disease. Budget disease. The devil is a liar. Let it be reversed. Let it be reversed. Let it be reversed. Anyone with prostate cancer or prostate enlargement, by the power that raised Jesus from the dead, let all be reversed. Let all be reversed. Let all be reversed. Fecal and urinary incontinence. The devil is a liar. I announce, let it be reversed. Let it be reversed. Let it be reversed. Right now. Right now. They say you are bleeding inside your eye. If you are the one, put it on the live stream. The devil is a liar. Let it be reversed. Retina detachment. The devil is a liar. I announce, let it be reversed. Let it be reversed. Let it be reversed. Right now. Right now. You had an accident, from there you developed a heart problem. The devil is a liar. I announce, let it be reversed. Let it be reversed. Let it be reversed. Let it be reversed. Since you were born, you have never smelled anything. Since you were born, you have never tasted anything. You don't know the taste of food. You have never smelled anything. Rakabalabalaya. Hear me now. It's happening now. It's happening now. If you will not keep back your testimony, let it be reversed. Let it be reversed. It's happening now. Take your miracle by the mercy of God. Take your miracle by the mercy of God. Who are these ones giving you injections in your dream? And physically you will fall sick. The devil is a liar. I announce, let it be reversed. Let it be reversed. Let it be reversed. Right now. Right now. Right now. Fetal seizure. The devil is a liar. Allow me to also pray for anyone with any form of seizure. By the power that raised Jesus from the dead, let all of it be reversed. Let all of it be reversed. Right now. right now, right now, right now, right now. Let your amen rise. Let your amen rise. Let your amen rise. Testicular torsion. If you are the one, put it on the live stream. The devil is a liar. Let it be reversed. Let it be reversed. Right now. Right now. Oh, ovarian cancer, they say that has spread. It has spread to all your organs. The devil is a liar. I announce, let it be reversed. Let it be reversed. Right now. Right now. Oh, that heart, 3 family members have already died of heart failure. That family, 3 family members have died of heart failure. And they don't die old. They don't die old. The devil is a liar. I announce, let it be reversed. Drug resistant tuberculosis. Drug resistant tuberculosis. The devil is a liar. I announce, let it be reversed. After the accident, one of your hands is shorter than the other. But by the mercies of God, I announce, let them be equal right now. Let them be equal right now. Let them be equal right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. For the one that has vowed you will be sacked, the Lord will remove them for you to take their position. Receive it right now. 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 Right now. That husband has left the house before today, before 6 p.m. Nigerian time. Go back home. Let the Lord bring your husband back home. Any siege upon your husband, let it be broken. Right now, right now, right now. Whosoever is invoking the power of the grave against your children, invoking the power of the grave against your children, let it be reversed. Let it be reversed. Right now, right now, right now, right now, right now. Any form of brain tumor, let it be reversed. Multiple sclerosis, the devil is a liar. I announce, let it be reversed. Let it be reversed. Right now, right now, right now, right now, right now, right now, right now. Let your image on us. Let your image on us. By the mercies of God, any witchcraft deposit on anybody, anything that you are carrying that is not of the Lord, any mark from the pit of hell, the sound of your amen, let them drop her. Let them drop her. Let them drop her. Let them drop her. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. You may not understand this prayer, but lift up your two and shout, the Lord will preserve me by his mercy. Shout it loud, amen. Say it a second time, shout it roar. Will preserve me by his mercy. Let your amen rise for the 3rd time and the last time. Shout, the Lord will preserve me by his mercy. Let your amen rise. Click on the share button and share the message of God. Share, turn the louder. Let your amen turn on. Whatever you desire the Lord to show you mercy on, can you put it beside your device and get on your knees for the time to remember Zion, the time to favor Zion has come. The Lord will arise. The Lord will arise. He will have mercy upon Zion for the time to remember her. Yeah, has set time. Yeah, has set time. Yes, the time has come. Whatever you desire the Lord to show you mercy on, put it beside your device. I'm going to ask Pastor K to quickly declare for mercy. Pastor Guru will declare for mercy, and I will declare for mercy. The compassion of God is about to do what you cannot do for yourself. The compassion of God is about to rewrite, recreate, restore, realign, refire. For the time to favor you has come. Pastor K declare.
Lift out of our heads, our eyes are on you, oh God. And today, by the mercy of God, we decree and declare the story is turning around in your favor. It is turning around in your favor. By the mercy of God, impossible doors are opening again. They are opening again. They are opening again. By the mercy of God, you will not be clothed with shame. You will not bow your head in shame. By the mercy of God, Error is rewriting your story. By the mercy of God, your day of celebration will not be postponed. It will not be postponed. Your answer is now. Your answer is now. Your answer is now. The doors have opened. The doors have opened. That negative medical report is overturned. By mercy, let your amen thunder. Not willing that any should perish, by the mercies of God. What came to consume you has been consumed. Patterns of pain, patterns of sorrow that's run in your family for generations, by the mercies of God, it has been reversed. Ashone Parusaya, where you shed bitter tears, where you cried bitterly, by the mercies of God, your laughter has burst out. Oh, you shall smile again. You shall smile again. You shall smile again. Let your amen today.
And by the mercies of God, I announce, let there be a new beginning. What you prayed for in the 21 days, let it become your manifestation. By the mercies of God, restoration, revival, realignment, open heaven, overtaking, great grace, great outpouring, favor, accomplishment, exploit. Take it right now, take it right now, take it right now. By the mercies of God, be the tears are wiped away. Be the tears are wiped away. By the mercies of God, and let every paralyzed person rise. Let everyone on the wheelchair rise. Blind eyes open, deaf ears open. Let stories be rewritten. Right now, right now, right now, right now. Before 6 p.m. Nigerian time today, I announce over your life, you will experience the mercy of God you've never experienced. By the mercies of God, all doors are open. All doors are open. Repositioning, realignment, greater grace. Receive it right now. Receive it right now. You will not lose what is yours. You will not lose what is yours. But the mercies of God is a new season. It's a new season. It's a new season. The one that was mocked has become the one celebrating. The mercies of God has found you. The mercies of God has found you. Evil journeys have been interrupted. The mercies of God is making all things new. His mercies are new. You have been made new. All things are made new. That guilt is removed. What you are afraid of will not happen. Heavy load has been removed. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. By the reason of this mercy prayer, let there be jubilee in your Father's house. Let there be a sound of victory. Let there be a sound of praise. I announce it is done. The mercy of God has prevailed. 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 Can you release yourself a loud amen? Lift up your two shout and roar. And roar. Operation Crush. The blockers of my answer. Let me hear your shout fire. Shout fire. Shout fire. Turn down oppression. My answers came earlier than expected. Shout fire. Turn down oppression. I am the answer. I am the answer. Say oppression. Everything aligned for my answer. For my answer. For my answer. Say oppression. Oppression. Babylon has fallen for my answer. My God, if you knew what we're going to pray about this, turn down oppression. Babylon has fallen for my answer. Say oppression. Angels have gone ahead for my answers. Say oppression. Heavy harvest. Heavy harvest. Heavy harvest of my answer. Say oppression. Divine positioning. Divine positioning for my answer. Say oppression. Complete turnaround. Complete turnaround. Complete turnaround for my answer. Shout fire. Fire. Lift up your two and shout and roar. I know you will do great things tomorrow. And roar. Make me a partaker. A partaker. Shout and roar. As these prayers are made. And roar. Make me a partaker tomorrow. If you believe you are number one, let your amen turn out. Get on your knees wherever you are.